Morning, gentlemen. Opening week of turkey here in Pennsylvania. I'm out here in Pittsburgh with a buddy, Greg. Hunts with us at Fins and Feathers Outfitters, and his buddy, Craig, has a whitetail show on Gen 7 on TV. We watched a couple shows there last night, but anyway, I want to touch base with you all, let you know what we were up to here. Spring Gobbler, Pennsylvania, week 1. Saturday I had 2 gone, and they both got shot on their way into me. So unfortunately, never got to lay eyes on them, but they're dead. So I'm out here at buddy's place, about 4.5 hours outside of Harrisburg, and see what happens here today. But anyway, you guys take care. Hope everybody's doing well. Stay tuned with us. If you like our channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, helps us out. Leave us some comments, and been trying to build that page here for a little while. So y'all take care. Be with you here shortly with the turkey hunt. Morning, guys. Put this video together here for you a little bit later. Didn't work out quite the way I wanted it, but had the decoys out front here and had them at about 25 yards. The birds came in to the right of them and hung up at about 30. Jake just started raising hell. I called the hen in, and he cut her off twice and ran her back up over the hill. And the gobbler was just standing there strutting. I'm like, man, this isn't going to happen, because the hen started walking away. I called her in like 2 times, and the 3rd time she was ignoring me. I'm like, man, this is going to go bad quick. So I ended up taking that gobbler. Real nice bird. Got at least a 10-inch beard there. I'm guessing. I didn't measure anything yet. Good 2-year-old. Probably 3/4 inch spurs. And but a shout out to Greg and Sharon for having me out here. I'm out in Pittsburgh area hunting with them. Good friends of ours. And he waterfowl hunts with us very often. And I turkey hunt with him, and super good people. But anyway, thank you, Jeff. I don't know whether I'm an ear blind or actually Sharon's blind, but anyway, I appreciate you guys, so thank you. Another enjoyable hunt here in Pittsburgh, and you guys hit the like, subscribe button, follow us, leave some comments. We appreciate y'all, and I look forward to having a bunch of them on the boat here duck hunting again. So we are about 4 days from being totally booked up. So if you guys wanted to get into the 2026-2027 season, you better give us a call quick, because there's not many days left. But anyway, y'all take care. We're on day 3 PA season, and I am tagged out. I don't buy the extra tags, so I'm a one tag and done, and get the heck back to work. So y'all take care.